With questions, many students face challenges in getting their doubts cleared timely and effectively. Welcome to IGNOU Hub, introducing our innovative doubt resolution service for students of any kind of homework and assignments. Drop a message on WhatsApp 900-936-8238. How to ask questions. Write or give screenshot of your questions on given WhatsApp number 900-936-8238. Step 1. Ask your questions. Wait for reply. After confirmation, please pay and get your answer within a day. Why should you choose us? Fastest service, reliable answers, free student support, minimum charges. Describe the majors of multidimensional data modeling. Give examples. Data pre-processing is necessary before data mining process. Justify your answer. Give 2 examples for star schema, Snowflake schema, and Fact Constellation Schema. Note: give examples other than the ones discussed in the course material. Explain Multilevel Association Rules with the appropriate examples. Thank you so much for watching. If you need answers of these questions, you can contact us on our WhatsApp number.